Hey, I'm Mindy Kinnis. This is the Daily Rage. First off, huge thanks to those of you who wrote in last night and said, hey, what the heck is the deal with the time on this webinar? That was completely my bad. I made a mistake and sent out the wrong time. And this is straight up karma for as much shit as I give to Hubert about not knowing how to do time zones. It's totally what happened. Arizona is one of those weird states that does part of the year in Pacific time, part of the year in Mountain time. When I had scheduled that webinar, I was not taking that into account for the time zones. So y'all did get the wrong time. So I apologize. My bad. You didn't miss anything, though. It was recorded. The replay is available, and I won't be teaching the live class on how to get funded until Sunday. So still spots available on that. Like, it's all good, and I do apologize for the mistake. Completely my fault. So let's talk about this morning. OMG, rocket ship up. Now, for those of you that have been around my world for a while, you may not be surprised to hear that I took a loss today. Even with that huge move, I am always trying to short stuff, so it didn't quite work out for me, but here's the distinction, and I want to share this with you so that you can recognize it in yourself. There is a vast difference between taking a loss that is a reasonable loss, that is a controlled loss, that is a manageable loss, and like what I did last week, which was not any of those things. So today's loss, I think, was like 127 down or something like that. I don't necessarily want to lose any more than $150 in any given day. So as long as it's under that, it's not really going to make or break my account. It is not going to ruin my trading psychology, for the next week. But what I did last week, which was like over $600 loss, that can have implications like that. So what I do is in my tracking sheet, in my spreadsheet, I actually have, if it's more than 150, it has a big red dot that shows. And what I can see then is, okay, obviously I don't want a lot of those dots, and ideally none. It's not that I don't want any losses, it's that I don't want the ones that are just out of control and crazy. So I can track, like, how many of those am I taking in any given month, quarter, year, whatever. And of course, I want those to be less and less. So for you, I would recommend having some idea of, like, this is essentially the max loss that I'm going to say like to take, not that you want to take a loss, but they're going to happen. So like I said, if you can keep them manageable and within control, you're not going to ruin things too terribly for you. And you can just get up, get back in the next day, and keep on going. I'm Mindy Kinnis. Thanks so much for watching.